You can create be not say baby afa. But and the reason why I'm this is the last week for Obasima Achedie. What I say? It may pass it through now. Ya wrong no the amount. Na they are canning na ya nyumwa kopim says 6 bebona. Charlie fire relax on kakrania dia. Into your don no more na e be flu ani dia. What I say? Nyabo tre. But your fast that can say my proud sponsors no. So unze omu niwa yinio. Ena yenso but I need see any soon say yempese bibia become no bia be say obegini sesa ese be hadwen. Yes, I na ya appropriate ya kama near there. It's Kel Kits toothpaste. You don't want it from Samara Company Limited. Timo farm from 2 to 6 years one. Mom use to Kel Kits toothpaste and no and I the strawberry I want a matches and use no a nika pa the mama fan kama pa. When you be at baby, Kel Kits or say happy smile. Now, so September Bosumi, and then any day, Toswe Dunubako, that's the 21st of September. And JBA Berry, now Pan African Savings for Omo Yatetosu promotion, so I bury it. And in Patrol, take advantage of the reduced rates, never grow business. Choose Pan African, choose greater strength. Now, for your quiet Benina, or then any idea in your power. And nothing that I account for Dominion Herbal Powder, the mouth, your number 1 immune booster. Pebina enonom. Sebeya na immune system will be to me a day na ya marketing katia ya ta hard draining na ebe cleaning na the amount. A floral disposable handkerchief and no papa chance so the usual cloth handkerchief never show bottom. Or papa no aside their show bottom there be any guy. Use floral disposable handkerchief. Who you see we are no disposing of come na bibia aye niche at the amount. Now it's not so the videos of our time brewer. Food lovers rice. And more add them. The bonus samrane. Say it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice. Very easy to cook. It's made for better eating experience. Available at town baby and Tiana watch checking it out. Why? Aquatap water purification tablet on sono. A self-dissolving tablet. All the tunes you more. It kills all microorganisms that won't you know. Sebe bit me avoid the waterborne diseases. And your aquatap food savings so wako kruma cultural fruits and vegetables they are bad. And for ordinary water and wash them. Use to aquatap food save never wash na bacteria and germs only na and killing na kama. Now say it's not na you 2 phones wa. And no a bright garlic plus capsules. And no ena bois. Na I improve your blood circulation. I boost your appetite and what me the immune system no so why day. I check your cholesterol na fe or pressure and sugar levels near dini na mani na to din. Omo kuya assign my bright soja capsules. Bema wa ho de na kofom obey ho fe. Kama oda wa bem. Ejuma mi enkwa ene na sa. Jo be say gina na so bi what. Ya no apbi echa kwan. And we're in MTN, almost your dumb one say. I'll say it's been 25 amazing years with you. Now, Sebe bit me as celebrities are huge milestone name why them more no. Anthony Akofa MTN at 25 mega promotion there about. And on the air check air Sonata Marco 25. All the answer because we use MTN number no there BB out the Bia. So Casa test or browse it. We use to pause app no and I say Momo no. What I say. Na MTN app no koso ayisu we gaining more points with me nya kai mu ba ko kai set terms and conditions and ka person do shim bia no dial star 156 hash na watu aswa ko anim nsu betwika room afiasde di ono ebe call the Adom master and Pobima paint depot yeah hone ne oji apon papa dia kosisi odan na wasi no na aye kama dia mo ebo no so da form afi paint papa de betwi dan no so yese bagini na bi na ye mambo so miensa na fatwitua no kakra wa bra ye fa interest bia ento so ma wo behu ye chia kwan e wo ye Pobima ujina Pobima to booth wona woni to shop no bra na ye business she yoki kanaka say Scott and so some street say Scott there say Scott just say what I'm trying to say that if say Scott sits down and I'm person say Scott last year. Allah. No, they are around the world in 5 minutes every year. If I try no other man, Genie Foods for no more. I saw him move my timid brew. Yes, tea and they open you and how do a Genie sunflower, cooking oil, Genie rice, Genie mayonnaise, Genie milk, Genie sardines, and they can go. Nina, no, Papa, no, Genie Foods Adama and I almost at the brain. Now you can't Genie, I know I just so. And me fear dead. Come on, pa. I feel say I get a sponsor so it drew swa. A Kale charcoal toothpaste. Come on, pa. Toothpaste a day charcoal la shim. I just say no, a mouth clears things out the walls. Suswina. Unya a good fresh breath, whiter teeth, a preventive cavity and so things be a was to be a sunina ebeko. Yeah. Samara company for Nako Fadiaba, a available market baby. Kel charcoal toothpaste, happy smile. Nasty do not call Ediama Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. A patch of your Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Apple, and a fair Royal Cocktail. Come on, pa. 2 cities 50 pesos respect. Now I go there in a shop near you. Now fair the aside do no Go TV or say no with me are connected on Go TV. Now I enjoy captivating moments on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, any leagues I would do pina kana. With me are connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. My brother using my Go TV app. Now you try to Go TV, love it. I feel in boost herbal mixture, aka police ni nedrun. Nejumo ye ne ba kope. Ne dia ne se oma immune system no ahode mapabam. Se de be ya nipadua na nkasa yare bia bamu eno abe fight no na ehun hia se obekwa yare sabia koja yare hwe. Etiwe no se wo yare won yare wutimi nombi. Eye adwuma yie pa. O hwa dance di en fifi mu ba chese busua ebro adwene ntiase so. In boost herbal mixture, police nedrun. Herbal shops across the country ukwa on sabe count there. Na se mami botu so tena se na obrain fela adaro mo afa ho ka no Vodafone. Itu chama sponsors ni na Vodafone. Also the good morning offer aba na sa good morning band away no ene ma kwanya ma utimi kasa. Their friends say unlimited calls. Vodafone numbers. So when you have 5 minutes talk time to other networks, now if you enjoy 500 MB of data at the account, and you can send me say, yeah, Juma, yeah, bundle BR one, now bundle BR, and I say, help us all subscribe to BR, no, yeah, Juma, I also come, and also be dial *543# and I'll be for 543. You be try to Vodafone together we can. We don't want near the four die. It's not see a single now OfieKwanso media swap. Omu kukra and kakra. I don't want to see pa. There cano omwa. And they is when ready home. I'm a nearby abedan and say Fantom and saying, you're quite a kakra. Your best son near the no swabber. Sabri Akasima in Siena no Nayabo. Just about 6 more minutes to 4. I better enjoy some more music now. Shen so set. Or Bassima Chedi and some bro, my activity phone lines into free. Nah, there be a few questions. Put me born more there. Now I watch it. Only will be near some over 100 chest freezers near their chair. A microwave ovens, food processors, and plenty of food products. Yeah, Bassima seal no home. So watch out for that one coming up pretty soon. Meantime, this is Dasibra Hofer Jamina the late with this one with Dana. Yeah, mama, you are the baby. What brown country and yes, I may be Namatu, my dream. Ubinti Zikawa in the town for the Tino, economy, my end. Young Cotil Drum, Brand One, I see why I'm so around. Economy, my young Vampire, Bona, Yami, Bona, Bedua. Make sure I'm always saying, me pony, me see, is your Mother Adom in Maya, who then know? I'm not going to me, I'm an Abruzum, who then know? Is your country as a tia? Matima dream, I'm a family of Bentino. Who could I cry?
so don't for me riba naji. Is you una tantana sa Adom in Maya, who don't know? I don't go on the me, I'm an abusum tino, who don't know? Is your tantana sa tia? Maxima dream, I'm a famu bentino. Ukoda kayo, so don't for me riba naji. Mami bro pejano meet me for my deep baby suni agro. So we are got on it I'm around. I don't have a suni pie remember to my lovers and in pro. I baby be wanna ready for us. You did this something no. So don't be one send that be my wow.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
I don't go on the me, I'm an abusum tino, who don't know? It's your country, I said, yeah. Maxima dream, I'm a famu bentino. Ukoda kayo, so don't for me riba naji. It's your country, I said, Adom in Maya, who don't know? I don't go on the me, I'm an abusum tino, who don't know? It's your country, I said, yeah. Maxima dream, I'm a famu bentino. So don't for me riba naji. Adom music was swinging and the feeling was so right, and everybody seemed so happy. Staggering on asphalt, this little beautiful daughter, the way she moved. So I said to her, beautiful girl, can I have a little things with you? She said to me,
If you really wanna, you've got to play by the rules. 'Cause I love it nice and slow. If you wanna rap with me, I love it nice and slow.
you were in the right place, baby. Come on.
I like it nice and slow. If you wanna dance with me, come do it nice and slow.
We danced till the morning sun began to shine, and I wish she was completely mine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She's the sweetest girl that I have ever known. Something in me would just let her go. So I said to her, how about going to my place for a cup of tea? Smile flies in the face and the ocean is my company. Ooh, baby, if you take a chance with me, I'll do it nice and slow, slow. I love to do it nice and slow. If you wanna rock with me, come do it nice and slow. Yeah, 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 oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, pretty little girl, tell me what you gonna do. It feels so good to be here with you. I never believed in the love of both sides, but nothing in the world has ever felt so right. If you give me your hand, I'll be your only man. I take you in my arms and keep you safe and warm. There is no need to worry about the pain, baby. I've got what it takes to make you feel like a queen. Yeah.
If you wanna rock with me, let's do it nice and slow.
Tell me how. Tell me now, baby.
I love it nice and slow.
On your name.
If you wanna rock with me, let's do it nice and slow.
Your touch is too much.
I love it nice and slow.
Like it, like it, like it. Say that I like
I
it.
like it nice and slow.
Sometimes and nice. See,
I love it nice and slow.
love it, love it, love it. Baby, I love
It's nice and slow.
it. sai Mimfa moja nyenki ma Na umfansa ya siyo mido Mimfa Ijinga na uruma Na mom Kom Mimfa moja nyenki ma Na umfansa ya siyo mido Mimfa Udima mimumasu Udinta makumasu Mimfa Oda Kawantu mikomwe Kawanse misasue Mimfa Udima mimumasu Udinta makumasu Mimfa Oda Kawantu mikomwe Kawanse misasue Miuno jina tudu Oyesrunku Gane ni abayu avi Angofe Miuno jina tudu Oyesrunku Abone ni atremiao Akuma kasa makuma tiafa Anajidi ya mimpa Na misumiye Mabon komo pa Mwako uho papa Anajidi ya mimpa Na misumiye Mabon komo papa Mwadia dansi papa Anajidi ya mimpa Na misumiye Mwako uho papa Mwadia dansi papa Anajidi ya mimpa Na misumiye Mabon komo papa Mwadia dansi papa Sisumiye kazo Sisumiye kazo Ebe Senko dai kazo Senko dai kazo Sisumiye kazo Senko dai kazo Sisumiye kazo Ebeti yani Sisumiye kazo
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
From the very first time that I placed my eyes on you, baby, my heart told me, whoa, to follow suit.
And he calls this one Fantasy. Beautiful love song. I love it. We'll take it time now to you to say, yeah, Charlie Odo.
My heart told me to follow suit.
Tell them from the very, very first time. Come on.
That I
Set my eyes on you, baby.
My heart told me, whoa,
To follow you. Yeah.
love you.
Now the words can see it.
You're the apple of my
Oh yeah, the apple of my eye.
Gonna keep on loving you.
Gonna keep on loving you.
Break of dawn.
Oh,
I know
That's right, y'all.
We're gonna keep on tossing planet with you till the break of dawn.
All right, check the time now. 26 after 4, OT 106.3 FM. And this one here says a happy birthday going out to Susie Q, all the way in Ohio in the United States of America. May the good Lord bless you abundantly with good health, long life, more blessings, and more money as well. From Nana Kwesi in Düsseldorf, Germany, going out to you, Susie Q, as you celebrate your birthday today. Africa. Boko. Boko. Hey. Na ene me wafa se ba ko birthday. Chale afin cheba or celebrating the second anniversary today. Me kai pa na oye kete na odane papa nsa so. Ye koye Christian no the Church of Pentecost wo Bologna Central Assembly or Italy. Na your friend papa be jara Christian also yanko. I'm good John in China Adiana. You're two colliding for fair. Says, yeah, we're 2 years. What? Lorenza, happy second anniversary to you. Happy birthday. And may God bless you and bless you and bless you more. From myself, your uncle, your father, Christian, and your Busuani Nina. We're wishing you a happy birthday. Yeah. Lorenza, Yamisha, enjoy your second anniversary. Nana Ohima Asantoa, Evangelist Bright Radio, or say always the lovely Nana Adai Munukumu, also of Evangelist Bright Radio, Germany, a happy birthday today. Etinyame Unsha, Yama Audapa. And special shout out going out to you, Nanaya of DVLA head office. And to say, I hope you're enjoying your holiday. DVR bear fine. I was trying to be activated phone lines on that ya share or best see my there. Why the binya there? You know what I'm saying? Eddie Free Moon. Meantime, the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Eba Wakwemu. Now, this fair now is under the theme Home Ownership to Build or to Buy. It's joining where the Junction Mall for the third clinic on Saturday the 2nd and Sunday the 3rd of October 2021, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Now, with me, I'm following way in social media handles. Also, I brought you to a hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. And for further inquiries, about your phrase 0546908179 and after 0540110389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and also powered by the Planned City Extension Project by Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. And I feel so Renters Paradise. We help people and properties find each other. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. Boko. Young Kamfu go high grade fuels, Emma, Fabi Guka, Nema engine, and last is Sereno. Yet the Papa Egumo, Tiguka, and engine more ultimates and part BBR to D. Yabomodian 45 with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer. Yeah, may you more efficient, eco-friendly, na turn at no extra cost. and unti bomodia so be ma unsa kan go higher grade fuel say yeah super XP run 95 and I say diesel XP for good car no now it's say car engine be work fine come pa e dey ama o ajiba bia goil good energy goil yeah dim Now no me catch us say nyame ya adom a Wednesday ye be ya me kire ochna ya the 22nd of September and the 2021 population and housing census this share so now that census night was the 27th of June 2021 now when we know able be provided an updated demographic, socio-economic and housing data for research policy and planning over the next decade. That's the next 10 years anyway. It will person who more about the resourcefulness of the census here. We find the data now. The patrol called www.census2021.statsghana.gov.gh. They'll be taking notes in www and the audience census 2021 now starts Ghana STATS Ghana.gov.gh and one obenya details ni na na nyame ya adom a ochina anopa 10 on the Joy News TV channel on our Facebook no me patrol handle me at Stats Ghana, that's STATS Ghana 10 a.m. sharp. You better release the provisional results no live not on my phone etimi ahwe bi no mo hu dia ko ne dia ba so do make it late they do our own so etimi ehunu na man folk gen baby can be azo yes and it you know what I'm saying. Now let's talk insurance ya the papa but adia na ya o mi say obe insure wa de bi na fi every time I hear insurance company not to stand by you now otimi cheaper no na aye bibio Tiana is can Crawford. So I mean, why you don't insure when the what crime will be a free baby ama? But with Phoenix Insurance, now it is near Sasano. Yes, I had no BBI ya barefoot, you know what I'm saying? Oba ye there. Your boama BBI to me ko ye demao. And we give you that assurance saying you rise again when disaster strikes. Yes, that's what it is. It's more than PMU away Phoenix Insurance. You try claims quickly your insurance policies and also doors on fire, motor, accidents, marine, engineering, as well as bonds. Nina, you demo juma pa. And you can be very flexible the amount, we shift your account now to so cry ultimate insurance policy cry. And one say we try to a short code no so and a star 389 star 79 star now follow prompt no with them. BBN our friend 0302 246 319 and our 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. And then holiday went to me and yes for yourself crying the abusia. Then yeah, say woman who a good treat with Puma drinks. Pa. And then boy no wako him. Yes, forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, be confident, be determined, but most of all, be joyful. We 1 cedi 50 pesos per no waje chilled bottle back or say a cola and a orange. A cool brutal. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Are available on major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The drop annual phrase 0262 351 251. She knows away another quality product if Casa Preco Company Limited. And Kratui FD, I move him wajato. Say imuye pa. You know what I'm saying? Yo. And then Vodafone, so I could find Vodafone to match business at the bar. Now, now, so I said no two businesses are the same. If you phone calls between colleagues, you could see team, no WhatsApp group, so on a face, so SMS, a bulk SMS to clients. Nina differ. Every business be our different needs. The same thing and a Vodafone to match business, the best mobile plan on the market. With awesome value for amazing results. Nina's Obabi designed wow mobile plans to talk, test, and then do more according to your unique business model. Nina said, Vodafone to match business. And the flexibility. Yeah, bit me customize wow voice, SMS, data plan. Yeah, no. A bit me fit to business and I feel budget and so what I say. So now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more in your mobile package at the same price. It could be any. Person signing up. Omodian say obe sende a start. That's START. Edia call 050-777-9000. That's 050-777-9000. Yes, I send the email. Fafa vodaphonbusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Vodafone, together we can. And a diabaso a HD plus decoder. And one will be addition TV fully correct partner there. And you can send me say your favorite program no. Ubet me enjoy no. In 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality than the usual, SD, no, what I say, Tini account for HD plus decoder and the amount. Now, now was Samsung UHD or QLED TV that were connected to multi TV satellite dish. No, what they are answer by downloading my HD plus app no, from the Samsung App Store. Now I enjoy TV viewing moments. No, feely, papa. And yes, I'll bet me out to HD plus decoder from the nearest Electroland outlet and now multi TV dealer and chain nationwide. Now every HD decoder you need to activate it. Our brow dial *879#. Now I follow prompt now to unlock the HD channels as well as the 2 months free subscriptions are not attached. Now, after the free trial period, no, SSL will sign a dial *879#. Now, one subscriber for either 1 week, 1 month, and now say 3 months, and now say 12 months package. Yeah, no, 7 CDs, 25 CDs, 60 CDs, and then 210 CDs respectively. Who use multi TV decoder and who you say obesa did dish for be a boss once. Who they try to move one do with them back. Come on. Get ready. So Baba Frame na yan fancy so obesima chede. Yan said the BC aquafa. Wine the binya de chest freezer and now microwave oven and now food processor. And now food products package them up with you from Sada. Stay tuned, my bros is here. Our Adom 106.3 FM.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Honey. It's office sa unkuana when him Aquataps full safe and salad nini aba udini de piano. Aquatap full safe. And I'm a door home. I said with you.
Almost sounds what Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, omode ebulu munsio, efomunsio, surunsio, any sia, and one te, edia wanda dejum, emfa or haubia embre. Osanko de yisud mapomudin so ehie yepa. And untina mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetimede paper surfaces bia, Emma and wote. Nunti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you fiemu, Aquataps Abama Mose, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now, we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
I see you.
Quality security door. In a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Say why you paint and pay later. It's just kakakra. That's the 3 months. It's yankai. You see if you are assassin real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So what Kumasi Highway. What be man tobo to wa.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio. Share. Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is shot. Says me use Bright Garlic Plus. No, men sanity Ninano, Meniswa Chimmy, and the Menuma Tunino, a giant winning out the same.
Bright Soldier. It's me general body pains. Nasam Waba. I know Bama Tinka. A Costro Papa. A year Jimasem Quina.
Hey,
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka. And the Hebas of Biamu Bright Soldier. And a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. A Wonungwa Dogon. Last stop, SL Junction. Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic Capsules. And you drew that a shit. FDA. I should just say a gradient cratway. I just to say,
I go class. Mental, a dear mienu any miensa. Mienu any a nine. Mienu any enum.
Sonata.
If you didn't know I anymore at Sana, a way did you money, or Sa British Yayi, ye taking die Sonata Monuchia, Baku Edianum, any Sikachi MTN at 25 promo. Coswa for MTN no money fair out of phone, Nakasa, for texting, for browsing, Faceka, never send this cat, Momonosu and Preppy, and Numuna will be your points. Who bet be taking die Sonata Edianum, a Monuchia on Mubako, any Sikachi DP, Posumibia MTN at 25 promo, or star 156 and the Nasa Waku to a would be at MTN in Kwaso, everywhere you go.
Busia dear, ya jini nuani kona bosso. Jini sunflower cooking oil. Anwa wasoni free sunflower mu mediani cheya akono. Adia ba kwa me pewo jini anwa ihone se. Mediani ye, na jini mua eyi bako ni hwam kra ni kume no. Na me ya salada. Jini mayonnaise nkwa na me ya esanse. Ema no ye tasty. Ya sanso wo jini milka. Eye non dairy creamer. Jini sardine. Ene sardine ame pepper esanse. Ubetimi de aduane bia. Na se wunya didi wo dokona. Ubehunu se eye good. Right spaghetti inso ka jini ebusia kuo ne ho. Ni senti be ka jini ebusia kuo ne ho. Esanse jini mafie ye de. Jini die e koso e dia je edwede nkrato ya to.
Oh boy, no way they chase uno. Chalemeni ho. Ese me rush through fiesta see games wo ho. Na se na Thursday. Na ka se die Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and daso and UEFA Conference League so tia. Wawolo when now Go TV so. Nanka Milia Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis benya decoder. Na upgrade called Go TV Max so. Now we enjoy games ni na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa any Conference League fee. Hey, now why Jamie came here? Sell to new decoder. Text the GoTV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my GoTV app no so. And she share a crowd. GoTV, love it.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi missing. And mommy confidence. The morning in her.
Se wushia ama na me sifit hey gusuna mesrea. Hey yo wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Oba de ni pa e bo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shina no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania maame no di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E mana hoden ne sayi nka bia. No wanum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa ENG.
Kale, happy smile. FDA, edwedin krato ya tomo.
If I what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so kono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Eje di nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Voice number. Share. Why you know that say we bet me invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. What you know that say we bet me nyatinka e want you big games no e want them. Onia, what you say we bet enjoy home ground advantage. E Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues e kuku them you know bro fum e want them. Ana Jano for 89 Ghana cedis called you GoTV decoder. Any year na upgrade called GoTV Max. Ma fear and yes football hifia kasa. So person to new decoder. Test GoTV call short code 1731. GoTV, love it.
Drama from day one. This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Killer bobo. We be casting away to the bed, do me or don't know me. But time now for you to call me and get yourself some goodies. What I say? Chest freezer, gooey. Food processor, kama. Sound so and a microwave oven. There. And then lots of, food products are a war basima seal, no, a war. They didn't nature right about now. Mensa ka me pen and me paper. Yeah, me so me quality results. Yeah, holidays deal. They say okay, so let's announce the phone lines. Now for you to us 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Enti obetimi afrɛ me sesia na fe ye de ahyehyɛ so questions ne tie ha we will be smart you know what I'm saying cause questions ye bisa there be questions yeah just the essence of me betimi afrɛ future but I mean just also wise just the same questions na there so what I say tia na ojeja ona onya chedi bi fan coffee yo ojeja o it's the edition is here. All right, so 0302216561. Our man is why she Katika 0302216562. Obey me our phrases here. Now, these are our questions. No, very simple questions. Young fire first call on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
That's the same.
I'm here to
Miss Sumewe, from saying.
But your friend is Sarah.
What's it?
Your friend is Sarah.
Sarah. Okay. Right, Sarah. Me try to answer as much as you can. Why now? Send me bizarre question me now who's what me can next near movie call anymore. Why? Okay. What time na shall say this here? A patcho male celebrity bang and our Obasima advert no.
Clemente sorry.
Now Obasima foods no better birth outcomes and no crown and no credit. A patcho sunny Gary mix and a Covey Gary mix. Which one and a war Basima see you on?
Sunny Gary mix.
Mommy, one benefit of the Obasima foods.
Boost immune system.
Mommy, 3 of the essential minerals and vitamins that war Obasima foods mo.
Vitamin A, vitamin D, and a copper.
Ebacho institutions mienu ben and online endorse Obasima seal.
Association of Ghana Industry and a Ghana Standard Authority.
Okay. Eti pacho koswana eti na obeti enka, right?
Actually.
All right. Right, you fire next call and I any on so atwas na show no so no modern bo a obetimi abo. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
E pacho etu say?
Yami Adom boss.
Na your friend saying?
Your friend Kwadwo Mensa.
All right, Kwadwo Krado.
My Krado boss.
All right, so Oshana answer no who ultimate can next near movie call. Oh, na be fast. All right.
Okay.
O time Esha says here.
Okay.
Mepacho, how many minerals and then vitamins na wo Obasima food products ni mu?
18.
Now, female celebrity ben na wo Obasima advert ni mu?
Emilia Brobe.
Mepacho, mame one Tom Brown product wo Obasima see no e wo ho.
Tom Vita egg.
Okay. Mame one biscuit product no so wo Obasima see no ho.
Lola biscuit.
Obasima foods no e boost to strength and the immune system and no crown and no crown.
True.
Obasima foods no and good for emofra and no crown and no crown. Mame, the colors of the Obasima logo.
Green and yellow.
Okay. O time no aso. Yada se kosweti obeti enka na yentwa so yemfa next caller. It's as simple as that, Ojo. Very, 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 very simple. No one boy now call baby. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Evening.
At the same.
Yami Adom Pacho.
Miss Maria Pa. Pacho Frost saying.
Pacho me the Emma.
Sister Emma, no.
Right.
Ibia, you're fine. Oh.
Pacho.
Okay. Me Pacho, Emma, all time no, Esha says is here.
Pacho.
Ghana Standards Authority, NFA Association of Ghana Industries, I endorse your Obasima products no eno kra na ye no kra. Pacho Obasima food products ni nyina ewo 18 essential vitamins and minerals eno kra na ye no kra. Which of these products ena ewo Obasima si no ho? Velvita, Tomvita, Salmina, NFA Tomina.
Pacho Tomvita.
Okay. Mame, the slogan for Obasima.
Choose Obasima. Stay strong, stay healthy.
Me pacho, Mame, the colors of the Obasima logo.
Pacho green and yellow.
How many products now currently on market? How many products in our market currently Obasima see no?
Pacho 7.
Okay. And because we're tea, now better and why?
Pacho, you're right.
All right. You better find next caller. Now your name on also at so. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
What's your first name?
What's your friend Rahel? Sister
Rahel, Bibi Aboko. Miss Maria Pampacho, time and shall see, right?
But you.
Obasima products no ensure better birth outcomes. They no cry, no cry. If I chose Sunny Gary mix and a Kobe Gary mix, they went and a war Obasima seal no.
Sunny Gary mix.
Mommy, one benefit of the Obasima foods.
It boosts the immune system.
Mommy, 3 essential minerals and vitamins that war Obasima foods no.
Vitamin A, vitamin E, the calcium.
Obasima slogan no air there.
Choose Obasima. Stay strong, stay healthy.
Mommy, 1 vitamin and a mineral I want Obasima food product no.
Vitamin E.
Okay. The bonus was vitamin E. All right, that's it. You cause sweaty. Now better and kawaii. I call out vitamin E, pal. All right, continue cause sweaty. Better and ka. Now you're fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't just do. Okay, now they are baby. 0302216561 0302216562. Call me now. Na yehwe so betimi anya akwanya no. Na waje achede bia. Dewa edni na echo free. Just freezer going, microwave ovens, papa, food processors, dewa. And our food products, pina, you soon the goose one there. Then check out your next caller. If he or she is ready, na yentu asunko anymore. Sadieno, bonsoir. Sadieno. Ode. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Sweetheart, you're from saying?
Fear.
Sister Fear. All right, why are you ready?
That's fine.
Me patrol or time no. And shall say here. How many minerals and vitamins now Obasima food products no?
That's all 7.
If I talk currently, how many products in all markets are Obasima see no?
That's all 7.
Now, which female celebrity and a war Obasima advert no?
Emilia Bobi.
Mommy, 1 Tom Brown product a war Obasima seal no? Okay. Mommy, 1 biscuit product and also a war Obasima seal no?
Lola biscuit.
Obasima foods no a boost to SI strength immune system no a true or false?
True.
Obasima foods no and good for children, true or false?
False.
Okay. Yeah, that's why.
Actually.
And because we're tea now, so better. Now, yeah, fire last caller for today. Now, for BB Andre. Hello, last caller.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, BB Aboko.
I'm Adom Boko now, sir.
Men so me way pa. Jack, you're from saying?
Didn't hear you.
Huh?
Are you?
Are you?
But you.
Hey, I need you. Are you? Okay. But why are you ready there?
But you.
And your brain shall says is here. A pacho male celebrity ben and a war Obasima advert no.
But your Clemento Suarez.
Obasima foods no ensure better birth outcomes and no cry and no cry.
But you no quiet.
Sunny Gary mix and a Kobe Gary mix. Emu de when ne war Obasima seal no.
But your Sunny Gary mix.
Mommy, 1 benefit of Obasima foods.
But your a boost to immune system.
A pacho institutions ben no more endorse Obasima seal no.
But your Association of Ghana Industries and a Ghana Standard Authority.
Mommy, 1 vitamin and a mineral. Yeah, war Obasima foods no emu.
But your folic acid.
Jose. Now what's saying?
Folic acid.
Okay. It's Koswa Neti. Why? It say Obo Modern. Penny for be contact or not say. Why'd you watch it there? Why?
But you're Martin Madas.
You, and that's it. And that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, baby, I did see you know, I don't know. For the, Saturday, no, I didn't know, and then so I am off fast back birthday. Yes, she's all grown now. I'll celebrate the 11th birthday. Yes. So a happy birthday going out to you. Akosia Ejiwa Amankwa. Yeah. May God bless you, yeah? Happy birthday to you. Akosia Ejiwa Amankwa. It's from the Amankwa family. And from myself. And from everyone. We all wishing you a happy birthday. May God bless you. Enjoy your 11th anniversary. And be good. Yeah? Because we're soon there more. Yeah. May God bless you. Killer boo boo. Yeah, more major results no why. Papa Bills. More major why now. I'm on for what's the results that was out. I'm the Kojache there. I'm Jean Patroti Jumia Brand Festival no. Edruso. Yes. Enti enrun a shas Monday the 20th of September. Na etemwa de kwa kopim the 3rd of October. Oba be your shopping kama pa. All your favorite brands on Jumia. Then you make real savings up to 50% off. Yeah. And also watch out for our daily flash sales at Basso 10 a.m., 12 midday, and 3 p.m. Punyan download the Jumia app now. Joe, you are missing out big time. Go ahead, download the app now. Also with me, I enjoy lots of goodies. I fear, yeah, Jumia. Jumia, your everyday delivered. Sesia na yewie na ni nyina ne se Obasima achede no ye shase on the 30th of August na nyame ya adom a 25th September ye be na chesa bewie na chesa ye last week mu ana away what they say ni nyina ne se our friend one some few questions about Obasima achede and as Obasima seal no na what me anya achede na dey akọ. The medical boss amount there are over 100 chest freezers, a day chair, microwave ovens, food processors, and plenty of Obasima food products to be worn. It's me Adom Friday. You better sign their baby. Choose foods with Obasima seal. Stay strong, stay healthy. And no one say more, I don't know. And once again, let me remind you, say MTN did 25 years. Yes, it's been amazing. 25 years with you, and to celebrate this huge milestone, MTN is giving away 25 of the 2021 brand new sleek 9-day Sonata. Yes, and a lot of exciting cash prizes. Our MTN at 25 mega promo no emo. There's all your answer because we use MTN number no dia kasa test your browser. Now if we use MTN app no Pulse app no momo no using more, what me are gaining more points. Now once when you carry move back home. And no, just dial *156# today and begin your journey to win big only on MTN everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. patrol competition be cost na competition when more de where wada cash pa betimi aye there. Oh yes, oba benya share of 100,000 Ghana cedis in cash prizes and our fair educational supplies. We know a Cadbury Richoko National Essay Competition. Yeah, a cost of the day. We will be our upper primary, and now junior high, and now senior high, now we're Ghana high, and your Quenya Abba Eddie amount. Sounds to bet me don't want to be. Now, the top essays in each category, Biano, ebe receive 10,000 Ghana cedis cash and another 10,000 cedis in educational materials for their respective schools. And all 4 runner-ups in each category, Biano, so no. Ebe we need cash prize at the attached. Write an essay addressing the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now, what stated the importance of cocoa to Ghana and our Ghanaians, and when you with them, essay no as I say, wow handwriting. Now, what show you know, or parents and I say, or guardian. And now, class teacher, I endorse a year essay no amount. Now, I attach 10 empty packs of rich chocolate 20 grams. And now, say 1 empty pack of 500 grams. And now, say 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich chocolate. Now, they are a year or essay now. A year handwritten or so I say. Then you drop off your entry at the Accra Central Post Office, at Dental Post Office, at Chimota Post Office, at Malcolm Outlets, a War, Accra Central, at Dabraka, Malcolm Plus, North Industrial Area, Dansuman, Spinkters, Madina, Tema, Ashaman, Achimota, Kisiman, East Legon, Abeka, Waja, Ashoman, Fafraha, and Afienya. I say entries no subit me ambili to the Richoko National Essay Competition, PO Box AF 851 at Denta Accra. As I saw, you will be our upper primary, junior high, and our senior high. And so, what me do want to be. Next chance to say closing date for submission of entries is on the 30th of September 2021. We have further details and patrol. Visit the Cadbury Richoko Facebook and Instagram pages. Now, we have further details. No terms and conditions apply. And one someone. And then me call Trasaku. Na me call watch it. Na a quite be a me drive fast so pan. I'm say, hey, babe. Enti Trasaku Zuni. Who said Makasa Mafwa Kasa from the morning now for why we are celebrating this day and I say enjoying us holiday and there's been much talked about FIA Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah home ni vision ni nemo beye edema o man ni ade ne nso enu achi no amampani afoforo abaye mpanifo abedi animi unhu de wo mo eye hwe niema eye Osaje for beye obi a won nanso. But when you look around and now hwe oman abakwasem na wo hwe niema ye nyaye during his time. Now the better to it's like we are sleeping. Oh yes. A hard dream. Now me comfort trust now me feel kwanye na me minim say ja ehwe a new area to me matuma dwum na me car me den na ngugu za. Now me comfort trust when I'm eti house so. Any that ben na me. Oh Charlie, and you're fresh. No. Ali, and never be on why I catch it. And never Dr. Nkrumah be ye na ya says any na. They trying to sell why you're trying to sell why. They are council I can room so I can room. I dare back up Nkrumah ya I can watch say ye gaga the only motorway in Ghana. I cracked my motorway. And also share the eye say I done a death trap. And na e dim krofo and na e kum krofo. And na ewie omo a na omo nam e kwan so at the time I was also on that road. and a behu say asemo making a nokre. Now me need time to stop and record what happened. Motorway no so be to tour a dangerous. And for those of us are used to equine on the regular almost every day be now so no. Yeah, you sports now a dangerous no. So when we are driving on me say me nam so I can't crab na my approach baby as say I huna then I start slowing down. Sa say be I can't no di machin so beto ne bo ase antimi du a ma breaki boko na ma de ahyehyehye mu ana me ko. You understand? But when you are aware of it, no. When you panic, coast speed, sometimes somebody is doing like 100, 120 on the motorway. Suddenly, no PS sports, no so. And only she down to slow down. Nothing energy. And yeah, maybe Chevy Cruze car, saloon car, white color. And there was a Toyota RAV4 following that car. Sport one. It was dangerous, so they had to stop. Almost slow down. Now slow down. Chevy Cruze no slow down. Be now RAV4 nechi. Metis a break news. Boom. Comes a rade. Only put you have to use the road. Now or say kukuno. Also. You see that thing? Half it on me and Wako Park on channels real show. A bit wisdom time, baby. Omoko, Utianya, you cross what's up from Webra. And yet, it was as if they open EBA knew what is going on. Yet, each and every day they see it and they close their eyes on it. Near Nemua, then we pay toll every day, be out to use this same death trap road. Say a coy anymore, say a bay at you. Any editor to my musa. I can't say. And no, yeah, Mr. RAV4 on the ball, Chevy Cruze that you boom. Because near coast speed, but suddenly do one, baby, said you want to know. On us, we are why we do a baby breaky. And the cars now had ni breaky, Chevy no breaky, oh, nah, as soon as she. That PI, they happen on that road. I'm off where this shimu so pie time, so they shimu pie time. And you're calling your bassa and nanamwa. We are not serious as a country, honestly. Ampao, the other day now Obri Boa Kaswa Queen. Baby and so to an aquatrian, we are near the Ababigum. Look at that beautiful road. A quine a kama, or there's a quine a baby a good old. But because that particular sport no, and so to an train running na the Abiguano, I yarn as I say, I say, one at check when you say who. Intia Quenchia see home 4 ties a papa or now look traffic it me about that stretch and penifo any to your sad they go and come sad. How many years NSSA will take it before we fix it? Can't we find a lasting solution to sa and Rihanna is so try Chinibegu Kwemo? Into engineers name for into can they put their heads together and find a solution to that problem? Just that problem. The other day, na meka onam a flower road no so who do TT brothers one on traffic lights no na opa na ko wani mpe free zones for no no hwe se de ya kwan ya chada ye bibia kama baby abekwa akofa wo manim wo na wabu abahwe. It's been years. Ya kwan ni fine o e na ombe two amna bi de fa ho no mo de cross here into two sides na om de cross here. Look at the number of companies that work free zones work. The number of cars they use to say kwan na de kofa ho no. I bet Daniel Manada, and for several years it has been there. Car be a do on one. Say a cargo car or swat container or yet then you say a private car do just obo break boko no way Jaikanesi Manum Kim. No one said Tias, no one said PM. Who do at that side? I was saying the same thing before you go. And I yet one I several years it is still there. Meanwhile, it will not take more than 10,000 cities to even fix that 10,000 brother. Just I'm not number 2 year, you know, more fellas now. I wanna in. And this thing is there. And we look on every day, we do baby sometimes some of us are not in person sounds and so we but Charlie, it's painful. So to your mem now to your tax now who the this can here. And so not the biane to tum now no de kote e cry to petum now no de kote e sit to come say e ka say now bressa onso so who de ekọ ukọ kan so e say boy we de wa no so ukasa dodo ene e de timu sa fresh. Too bad. I be sure them banner me mommy or don't know na come baby na. Ukaso be diga na chi a kuma krabe ya.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Credit. Now one Tobia Mana, Obibe Yusu ZPay at Tobia Mano. Abranche when him Husuna Keti.
Ma winning naho, shine your eye.
Bama or free docono and Mao and Etano. Dako, Yedimukoya and the Bebuneni.
Ma winning naho, shine your eye.
I ZPay credit alert and the more the Senisora Machidonko Etotun near my ye. For star 270 #CCA. Now register with ZPay mobile money wallet. You want money sika na mfufoni ebushia for the money ufia brochre. Send the sika ko local network biaso. Every ZPay mobile money wallet so. After top up airtime, your bills. Need the kika hu be free. Who bet me you are man sika free EcoBank, UBA, Absa, Access Bank, First Atlantic Bank, Progress Savings and Loans, CBG, Omni Bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, Prudential Bank, ARB Apex Bank, new mobile money agents, Bebru 150,000 Wamaimwa Fanabe Bia. ZPay, shine your eye.
Oh ma, pacho menya me kakra mi Milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Dabi na sme hu Saudi biegum.
Hey, ka wano hwa ansa na we bisa me.
Hey, milk na chemu say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one a milk bebe wo mu dada. Ne hia ne se wudi nsu befra. No ati nwani no mu de a cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebe a de ahye sachet ba ko mu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA Dredin Kratoi atumu.
Amanfo mechiamo. Sabre ya yare kodiegu COVID-19 abehye wo maimi. Ye mofre ya bambo kese pa na se ye ahwefo awofo asori mpanifo ni titru ahemfu ye waso die kese pa se ye boy my ho ban etimi mai mo fa semra ni so ko musa awonso a etimu na mo de hand sanitizer asasra musa ho brano mo twe mo ho efi ni padodo mu afia mo mo de se mo be she nose mask brebiara ana bra mo ko padodo mo bo wazo a mo tissue and as a handkerchief in and out them jam to so yansa o ma hin across the kokko uti region ma ja to me hoso se me ye gaka damboni na yema ho ato bedamose.
This message is brought to you by the government of Ghana with support from UNICEF and partners.
Use the stones again.
Say, well, let me that. You know, say we they make late where they make at the wedge.
Oh, Charlie Kwabuna, it no be me, no be me. It be the program I they watch for that my new HD Plus decoder I got to. Solid stuff, I tell you. It they allow me make I enjoy my favorite local TV channels in razor sharp, high definition quality. It be 5 times better than SD. Everything make clear. What? It check like I did their song and channel selection A1. I mean, I can scroll to see what each channel will show even 1 week ahead. Plus, I go fit preview the channels before I go watch. Oh, Charlie, this is the power to select what you want. They spoiled there for me.
You too can watch your favorite local channels freely in true HD quality. Look sharp and get yourself the new HD Plus decoder and experience world-class television at an affordable price. Existing multi-TV customers do not require a new satellite dish. For more information, visit hd-plus.com.gh. HD Plus, the feely experience.
Samisoriano pa, Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi missing. And mommy confidence, the morning in
Se wushia ama na misifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wawa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Oba de ni pa e wo bitiye mu no. Ene de aye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kale
charcoal toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwasro. Enti bi na ma na me si 32 ni na aguso.
Enkane no ane maame no di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu o bidie wo kel charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC fita e mana hoden ne sayi nka bia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo kel charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
You hear it all on
Adom FM 106.3.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Utie Jerry Justice. Adom 106.3 FM. Boss, we a chompia.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
There is justice in here. There is justice in here. I'm a con.
Box, who is Jerry Justice? Now, 106.3 FM Box, we are champion.
Anyway, the mama, Mrs. Azudi, and I just say, oh, mommy, Uyumni, aka Zulewa. Good evening, going out to you, Mrs. Azu. Yeah, I know you love this one. I know you love it. Nah, Obi, Kotoka, Yankee on Facebook. I'll say the title of the songs. No, wow. I'm gonna find Chemi. I'm Bonnie. Usually when I play this kind of songs, I am Misheda. I'm a mama titles Nina, so I say. And I say Maria Fika. So let me try and see if I can go back to all the songs that I've played so far, right from 3 p.m. at the bar. Whoosh. I want no be so power. Let's see how it goes. I can do that. Beautiful love song from the man Charles Kojo Fosu, aka Daddy Lumba. Yeah, me Lumba there ba kubin so account. I don't know, powerful power. Charlie, no busy. No busy. I don't send me Sigana mini bienti. I'm in power sound. Okay, so yeah, shall say 3 p.m. time now. Me dey shall say no. You started from a Ohineba Kisi, Mantion Kan, and Charles Kojo Fusuda Lumba Ede Shemibo Ebai. And then from there, I played Oseketa by Mu, also by Daddy Lumba. And you know, it was Dasebre Jamna with Colin. And Dasebre Jamna Nyum Mayini Etwaso. And then we went back to Daddy Lumba again. This time it was Odom Refi. So I know the banana and I sent him a test and I say, are you the one? I'm saying, me the one what? Was it, are you the one playing Odom Refi? Okay, so you feel a Odom Refi by Lumba no? And I born Yankonton by Kojuentry. And I bought a Fidia from OfieKwanso. And then I played Tom and Jerry Aware by Kojuentry. And I'm a boy Odenda from the Dasebre Jamna. A branch I matched it in Subemu. Adom any Gina way. And I did a year Kojuentry, nice and slow, a following. So I'm going to guy off. And then Ohineba came in with a number 1. And Kofi B. And so a day Yeninkra Ebetwa so. And I feel Daddy Lumba a day said Sumia Kasa Ebetwa so. From there then you call for something from Kojuentry. Makuma Doctor. Yeah. And I'll free up on Sadi Diacro Ebetwa so. And I'm a Kaya Jedouble Ambule at the fantasy by and Okrade Mekasa won't me mention title. And then from there, no, and a day a year Obasima promo Nebetwa so and then I went for a short break. When I came back, yeah, best started with Kojuentry or Domaya. Yeah. And I did do as well. I did to us one and they do. The one same baby by Charles Kojufusi, aka Daddy Lumba. Now the next Lumba song that I'm about to play. Anyway, Enkoma Obia Otieme na Ebia. Wiki mwe ye Ebia Odofu Beja Hotukwan. Yeko Osre. Wiki ye womu ye, you know. Odofu ba beja Hotukwan kakra. Nea. What I say? I mean, definitely, it's a oko. What I say? Na Osanye ye kwa necessary oko na Otukwan. Now, person of this annual no, Eja Odofu no kwa. Mrs. Roberta Amankwa. It is saying, oh no, ne dofuko, it's on the Okodada. Na, Amankwa, Mr. Say, Amankwa said, men can't share ne wife. Mabna. Men can't share no say. Ampa odoni papa. Na sika same thing na say some ways or but it feel ampa. It map na. Amankwa so ya da oruja. Ti bibi eni anwure. Na ma na hu so boko why. Roberta say we are in the same soup. Enchi bi amere baba. 21 were Dallas. I'll say a happy big birthday going out to my mom, Mama Tess of Cooktown, Snit, Sabi Organa, or Cooktown. Inti Yamana Odapa. Happy birthday to you. From 21 Dallas. I can say.
I'm a touchy, my phone. I'm sending out the person I'm a fan of dear.
You will be a coming, my number, so a day. If you want me, say, well, don't tell me, there was a movie. Don't be coming. And a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Grace Adu Bunny. Mrs. Grace Adu Bunny. Owaye Dome Methodist. From the Adu and Bunny family. With love, wishing you a happy birthday. Okay, enti enyumono. Moa na watchi mu. Modofonom ebetu kwan eja mo ho. Unya ya anka na wanko. Ba se de ade na kwan bia so esese okọ. Me pacho. Woni odofonom. Mo enjoy me next song no from Daddy Lumba why. Mo fanye mo last. Now, ubetimi atu sa anyum na. I mean, sing along, but sing it loud.
Amami don't feel me.
Emma, odofun nti why?
Don't tell me don't say move every. No yenti.
Don't beg me. And then I'm on your new. Mo be ne de mo ye ho hwie nye unya ya nka obeka so nsan enso osan ya enye Let's go now. Come on. Ow. Odowako. Coming to you. Oshawa kainyo. Yeni ode chato. Aya now they are kaime. You want see. Yentamo. Bema susu to me. And I am mention I don't necessarily. Mariama. I say we just let me Yo, good evening going out to our drama again. I say, why are you letting people remember things like that? Oh, Monkaka. Happy birthday to you, DJ Obete. DJ Obete, and then Auda. Na Nyami Adoma on the 24th of September, Friday, yeah, babe. Or the Jumedias Sunkubia Sheswa. Nina, yeah, the birthday celebration, celebrating 21 years as a DJ, not the birthday bash, no account. It's we know a DJ Obete and friends. Na squad ne gusu na nye easy. all the temagis ni nyina gu so. It is happening at the Monte Carlo, our Tema Community 10, Friday the 24th of September. Eti joya mumye shiamu na yen celebrate DJ Obete. Media me catch him and don't say, oh my answer, you try to know, son, now I came in there, and then you do back. Because I said, I'm mad at that. Did you a party for be here? I said, shower, came you. I name it do. Check the time now. Just about 16 more minutes now. About 6. Now you call. I don't know. Minyanka 16 minutes now. I can't. You find your number and go ahead. More place no more send a message. Say yes. I'm on place so I'm on casa me boy any other ones. Baby. So for those of you on Facebook, more enjoy the show right now. Yeah, let me hear from you. You have 60 minutes now, Kano. You find your Lumba and Juana. Wouldn't me number as well. Send me a WhatsApp message, let me know. If it's no, no. If it's yes, yes. Now yes is yes. Maria, Ma, you say any Lumba Nico Gentry. Ever from Emmanuel Eshen, CEO Edema E.E Fashion. What my new town was it Joe and the Kenyan Lumba? Hey, Charlie, the messages they come. Enoch Edukofi all the way in Sweden. Was it Charlie Quadio for Sunkwa? $21 was in Lumba. OfieKwanso was a group for almost Lumba. Obri a boyfriend or Lumba. Joe Adela den. And then I said, I said, Quadio for Sinania developer. Mrs. Roberta Manquanze Lumba. Hey, Lumba for more town. Madam for Michael or Safo Champion, only they will say add Kojentry. My good friend Alfred, also say Charlie Lumba. You said the idea, say, DN, sir. Maria, it said the iron in dear. Benny Lumba now. Until last time I can I any Lumba and Kwano. Let's start it off like this. Minya den cry. Dear Muye, dear Jerry, Minya den cry. Hey, yo, dog. Come on, y'all. Pam pam. It's been cutting now. Lovely, I see you. I see DL all the way. That's right. Turn one do fear yourself. He they ask me say why he did the state or he did. Me the way I they chop love. Be same. If wifey they around or you know they around, be same. And then OfieKwanso WhatsApp group on hey, Omo wild powers our group way. Oh Charlie. And then Omo meeting. Me ko pass it through and sana me ba. Ewo Azo. Titanic one Beach Road. Charlie ombe sheshi mu ebi mu fikofo de ebi mu fi odan ne ade na. Jack my nina, you guys you do all. Just omo sheshi no mo adwendwe omo ahwe career development bi no ne ade ne oh Charlie. Any antenns be omo and any new be no oh Charlie. Why nina nyame hia mo ate. And then yes me ba han ka metre mu fu na me ne mo awie bibia ne ade. Ba na ese mitimi jom ho na. E be property wa anso ne ade.
Think
Jerry, please, baby, I do not miss a Monday. Abusia, the woman say, me yana ma sorry ako. But a new be or no more, na and come playlist home. Minim says, me papa Jimmy. Also, Lumba Nanko for Candy and no one or no request. It is the first time in my entire life as a radio presenter. Me papa, I got some morning. Be see that. Or nobody do radio so go no on pesa there. But for him to call me and tell me so Lumba Nanko for Candy and Mumuno, Lumba Nyumba could be a memo man. Guys, I've played that song for Kwabena Mensah. Now, surprisingly, and you know so penal. Me do want me to ask you, Kwabena. Trying to want how my friend Poma. Me papa see me more new. As I was, and a deal for me, and only basing in the studio. Dr. Pani. And they're coming down way. Papa, who is that? Oh, you love our boy brutal. Abusia me de wasi nyame Adom a ye de OfieKwanso proper be bro we the holiday ne be pass through was so spending time with us Adom FM so nyame sha mo amutie nyina we so appreciate all of you and I feel so shouts to Papa Bills to African to Jamestown Joko Jamestown Joko o partner no your friend saying Rose Ama Ama there Ama anyway Ama Mr. Friend Jerry Justice so God willing, tomorrow we are back full time. Yeah, do OfieKwanso proper and Casabria. So thanks so much for your time with us. Now, me my room is still now 70 about Kubushi and watch and watch your train. It's not say we are some Nipa and session. Thanks so much for your time with us. You have a great evening, a great holiday as well. We are out of here.
Hey, me networking.